Here is the surface of the card in question under the light. As you can see, so there is one little surface thing, but it's on the card below, thankfully. You can just look at the surface of this tiger card and it's like absolutely perfect. I mean, flawless in every single way. I mean, the surface of this card is just basically glowing. The centering is perfection. Yeah, like I said, the big thing is going to be pulling it out of this case, pulling it out of this thing of cards. If you can do that, I mean, I see no reason that this card won't get a 10. The centering is just almost 100% perfect. There's no creases, dents, or anything on this entire surface, and it's like basically perfect, scratch-free, and everything from what I can see. And that's not surprising, really, due to the condition of the magazine as a whole, which is like one of the nicest ones I've ever seen. So yeah, that's basically that from the surface. Talk soon.